Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find the trash folder inside the Obsidian Notes application on your device. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is, in the first step, is locate or launch the Obsidian Notes app on your laptop or desktop computer. And if you, for instance, within your Vault or workspace, delete a component, let's say, for instance, I don't know, a note, for example, or a canvas, by right-clicking into it and choosing delete, you will see this menu here. So you can confirm the deletion. However, guys, you might be asking yourselves now, where is the trash folder? There is no trash folder within the given workspace directory here on the left-hand side. So to find the trash folder, you will need to do the following. Click into that gear icon in the bottom left, and then navigate to Files and Links. Scroll down, and under Trash, you will see the Deleted Files tab. And as you can see, guys, here to the right, there is a drop-down menu, and on default, it was set for me to move to System Trash. So the file or the canvas I just deleted has been moved not to any trash folder within the Obsidian Notes application, but to the System Trash folder on my device. So if you'd like to change that, click into that drop-down menu and choose Move to Obsidian Trash folder. And that is going to create a trash folder within your Vault folder on your device. Let me show you that. So if I, for example, now delete, let's say, for instance, that canvas here, again, it will then be moved to the trash folder. Click into delete here. And as you can see, guys, here within the folder, or sorry, Vault folder or Vault directory, you see that trash folder. You can access it and you will see the deleted component inside it, which is the canvas. You see the modification date, the file size, and you can restore it from here or delete it permanently with of course, with the interface language of your operating system. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.